everyone, it's me Saito again from Low Level Cosplay. Today we are back with a new cosplay tutorial, and in this one I'm gonna show you how I made the base outfit from Nessa from the game Pokemon. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and without further ado, let's do it. As always, I started with the pattern, and here are the pattern parts for the top. I started with the front by sewing these small black side pieces to the right middle. In the next step, the orange armhole parts gets attached. After this is done, I'm gonna start working on the back side. And the black middle gets also some orange pieces sewn on to the side. Next in line are these small blue parts that goes over the shoulder. In the meantime, the emblems get printed out on some ironing paper designed by Valuka Art. After cutting out the decals, they get ironed on like shown. It is always satisfying to peel off the baking paper. And here comes the small whale R. For the back there are a bit bigger decals. Now that the decals are on, the top gets sewn together at the shoulders. The neck hole gets then folded once and then sewn in place with an elastic stitch. This is how it looks so far, and now it's time to sew the sides together. Then the armholes and hem gets folded and also sewn in place. It's now time for the shorts. You can easily make the pattern by yourself, just wrap yourself in tape and trace on the desired shape. These are all the individual parts for each leg. I started by sewing these two blue parts to the dotted triangle. Then comes these long white parts on each side of it. For the other leg I also started by sewing two blue parts to a triangle, but this time it's flipped upside down. And two white pieces gets also sewn on the side. So this is how the parts look so far. A few decals gets now ironed on here and there because it is easier now than later. After the first decals are on, the leg gets closed in the middle. This step gets repeated for the other leg as well. It is now time to sew the two legs together, and for this I put one into the other and sew the front and middle back line together. And this is the current state of the shorts. For the waistband I cutted out the front and back out of this elastic orange fabric and sewed it together on the edges. This step was done twice, one for the outside and one for the inside. The two bands get now sewn together at the top. In the next step the waistband gets sewn on to the top of the shorts. Now that this is done, it gets then folded over and the top and bottom gets sewn in place with an elastic stitch. The leg holes get also folded over and sewn on. For the last step, these small decals gets ironed on, overlapping the waistband. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you want, you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, what I can improve on this channel in general, or if you have any burning questions that needs to be answered, put it also down there. And maybe give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to it, because every subscriber counts and it keeps this channel growing and there are videos coming. And this was it, I think, and I see you in the next video. Have a great day, and I'm out.